Broadcast, 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 broadcast. Bang! I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. 3 months later, maybe longer. I don't know. Third base. I'm back. I will be doing a daily recap every day with a Sunday week ahead as well. Oh, baby. October the 5th, 2011, 4 p.m. Eastern. We got so much to talk about and so little time. But again, hopefully, folks, you've been following me on Twitter this whole time. Twitter.com/voice of Forex. Constantly twitting almost every day, one minimum a day. Market calls, things like that. Pound Aussie, take a look at that call. Oh, baby. But, and Turnaround Tuesday. So, again, if you're looking for a little freebie action throughout the course of the day, I'll be doing more twits as well. You should definitely follow me on Twitter. And also, definitely want to announce we do have a little partnership going on with forexnews.com, FXEDU. And I think that's going to make a great partnership because, part of my reason for not having a lot of subscribers is because I really don't, I can't put up with newbies. I can't put up with people that are sort of really new to the market. I can handle someone with a year experience. You understand terminology, and my service is great for that. If you're an intermediate to advanced, but someone who's a total newbie, it can be very frustrating for you and for me because I hate repeating myself. And what's nice is FXEDU really has some great educational resources to take you from that beginner level to a more advanced level. So I'm excited about the opportunity to throw some of my business their way and then throw some business my way, and we promote each other. And I'm looking forward to having Mike Collin on. He's the strategist over there. Talk about the market, not just me, him too. So good things going on, people. Hopefully you had a great summer. Hopefully you had a profitable summer. Hopefully you caught the meltdown. And I'll do my rant on Obama on my rant section. I'll be doing that tonight. Might have to have a couple of cocktails before I do it. But again, as I've said over and over from the beginning of his presidency, the man doesn't get it. Jobs, jobs, jobs. And not government jobs. And it's pathetic that we're now talking year 3, and we're now going to an election cycle when they really can't get stuff done, and we got this deficit commission coming up that's going to chop 10% off the board on spending, which would decimate the military. So, things aren't so great, and he's failed. I mean, if you give Obama a grade, he gets an F, a big fat F, because he got no jobs done. That was his grade. That's how you judge the president, is, in my opinion, even foreign policy, as good as he's done with Al-Qaeda. If you're a fan of Israel, he certainly is no friend. Anyway, now let's get caught up. So again, if you have any questions about any aspect of partnerships, about doing any business with me, email me, info@globalfxradio.com. But again, every day. This time, I'll be uploading it. I record at 4 p.m. Eastern, and I upload it. He's back. So, S&Ps. We caught that turnaround Tuesday very nicely, but when you look at these S&P futures, and what's nice is now all charts on one platform. We're broken. Busted. This whole uptrend channel line is busted. So, yeah, you want to be a bear, but you don't be a crazy bear. Crazy bear gets slaughtered. You want to be long. And again, I'm a bear. 1-2 Texas 3-step. Continuation tomorrow to 1160 and reversal. I think the market probably jumps for joy with Trigé. Again, the Europeans have not solved anything. Nothing has been solved. So I'm looking for a reversal tomorrow. I just don't know how it's going to play out. I think we definitely reverse. Dollar index comes in. I think we're going to pull in to this channel line here. It's all about Trigé. And that's a big move. It's only 80 cents in the dollar index, but it's a very nice move. And when you look at the head and shoulders even developing, neckline, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, we pull in and we'll bounce. Maybe we did top out. Or maybe we're in a nice uptrend channel and you just got to buy the pullback. I think we're more in an uptrend channel. I think dollar index gets to 81. And I think you got to do your Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low and notice where we get. Right to my channel line on the upside. Boom. Nail it. So I'm looking for a Texas three-step pullback, reversal. We didn't really have much of a continuation, but we did certainly dollar Canada coming in. Oh, baby. Look at that gorgeous shooting star bearish engulfing. We'll get to it. So I think we pull back 78.50, 78.30. Maybe Trujillo delivers. Maybe the market rallies in anticipation of Trujillo cutting rates, which I got to tell you, I know there's like 11 people think so, 50 people don't. I don't think he should lower rates. He can. And I think, you know what? It would do the opposite. The euro will initially go down and then explode. But I think he doesn't do it. The euro explodes and then collapses. So this is a very big up, down, up night, down, up, down. This is going to be another roller coaster. But at the end of the day, dollar index closing below previous day low, it looks like it's coming in. Absolutely. Euro, while it doesn't look so pretty here, it's a doji. And you certainly got to be nervous that it couldn't have any follow through. And I truly do believe, that we are in this downtrend channel line. And we're going down to 115, but nothing goes down in a straight line. And when you look how oversold we are, the euro is due for a monster pop. And my problem is, I don't see the stock market exploding again tomorrow and holding gains. But I could see the euro exploding and holding gains. And how would the euro go up big and hold it if the stock market sells off? This is my dilemma. You should have charts, team. This is my dilemma. Because I don't think the stock market's going to follow through, but I could see the euro exploding. And reversing. So, but this doji certainly makes me nervous. And again, you have the situation here too. It's not like we haven't had it before. Take a look here. We bottomed. It was a better bottom. And then we dojied. And then we pulled in more. And then we exploded. So, the euro relative strength-wise was a big-time loser today. Euro Canada. Euro Aussie. So look at this euro. We could bounce all the way to 137 and still be in a downtrend. And again, I could see something like, listen, we take out 34 and we're going up to 35.50. We go up to 30, we take out 34, we're going through to 35.50. If we don't, we could roll right back down and collapse. I just don't think, I don't think Trujillo gives a crap about the markets per se, but I think he cares more than you give him credit. And I don't think he's going to want to be so damaging. So if they pull this euro in, I think you want to be long. And if they explode it up to 35.50, some ridiculous move, I think you short it. Euro Swiss. Oh, don't tell me. Oh, nice. Breaking out. This Euro Swiss looks great. It's going to 125. I go through the euro now every day. That's my first thing. A little change up. I go through the euro every day. And I'm going to do oil, gold, silver, last for all you silver bugs. So the order is going to be S&P, dollar index, euro across the board. Then the other currency pairs. And then oil and gold. But it looks like 125. Always Canada. Well, I do Euro Canada, baby. Euro yen, I think it still looks good. We bought on pullback. I'm surprised there was not much more in this. This dollar yen sucks. But I think Euro yen, Certainly a bounce up to 103.20. We take that out. Say hello to 104. Say hello to my little friend. And again, remember, people, I am offering, by the way, the beginning of January, January 1, there are no more deals. I've been doing year deals, 3-month specials. The only one is the rest of 2011 for $400. And you get my service, which includes a lot. Go to my website. Email me. You get me 3.5 hours in the chat room a day, 2 hours in the morning, sometimes more. FOMC rate decisions, of course. And then end of the day. You own me for 3.5 hours a day, minimum. Minimum. For less than $100 a month. Well, now it's $125 a month. Because you got October, November, December, only 3 months left. $400 US. Starting January 1st, $200 a month. No deals, no dollars, no soup for you. So, certainly to take advantage of that offer now would be very prudent of you, especially given today's market volatility and how we're kicking ass. Printing money. And we nailed it from the long side today, although I chickened out a little bit. But didn't go short, that's for sure. Euro sterling, a little bit of a doji, a little nervous. I still think there's a long-term short, but again, you got this big double bottom here. I mean, we certainly double bottom. I could see a bounce up to 87. Easy. Maybe even 87 and change. Take out these levels and reverse. Trigé is going to deliver tomorrow. Something the market likes. Not this one. Look at this Euro Canada. Down, up, down, up, down. I mean, it's probably going up tonight. You got to sell on strength. This thing is topping out. I freaking love it. Although, part of me thinks we could hit 142. I would love us to hit 142. It was looking like it the other day. I mean, look at this yesterday. Took out previous day high. Yeah, it closed a little weak, but downgrade from Italy helped. You measure the move too. This goes to 143, 142. And again, we'll look at dollar Canada because that's the key. But look, is it rolling over? Do I think we go back down? Absolutely. Do I think we're going to hit this channel line here? Absolutely. And if you take this out, we're looking at 130. Measure the move. Maybe even lower. Down to these lows here. When the dust settles, the stock market stabilizes and they realize Canada still has everything they need. Dollar Canada is going to be a great short. But right now, it came in nicely today. Dollar yen. I think we reverse tomorrow. 103.50. I'm getting back long dollar Canada. Oh, baby. Absolutely. Dollar yen, as every time you think it's going to go, it doesn't go. Look at this sick uptrend channel. Continues to make higher lows. That is bullish. This is only a 50 pip range. So who gives a crap? But seriously, what a waste of time. What a waste of buying power. What an absolute waste of your time for the last 2 months. Freaking nowhere. Nowhere. Just like dollar Swiss, really, until the last couple of days. We're breaking out. This dollar Swiss, we're going up. Although I thought it was a short last night. Looks to me like a short, but it's going higher. 93, maybe even 95. Euro Swiss 125. And of course, dollar Canada. Oh, baby. You gotta love it. Parabolic, insanity, but you gotta get back long. It's not over. And you can even do your Fibonacci from here to here. Look what that spells. Don't tell me these things don't correlate. We get down to 103.55, back the freaking truck up. This is the Texas 3-step. Shooting star, bearish engulfing, continuation, and reversal. I love it. Absolutely. I like it short and then long. Finesse the crap out of it. Oh, baby. Sterling, nice continuation. You know, put up a fight the whole day. But I think it put up a fight and it held. I think we bounce. GDP number was not very good. Only up 0.1. But services PMI, much better, 52.9. Over 55, it goes. Just like the euro, over 34. It goes. Listen, double bottom, oversold. Look at this downtrend. We're due. Stock market up big. This is the setup. And they're supposedly going to increase their credit asset facility, their purchase facility, by $25 billion. They was going to do $300 billion. I think the pound rallies on that. How's that? Bang. Sterling yen, big disappointment. Came back though. I still like it. Double bottom. Listen, this is just a waste, just a grind lower. Dollar yen goes nowhere. Cable goes lower. I think we're going up. BOP. I think dollar yen holds, maybe even pops. Dollar yen goes through 77, then pulls back the next day. Goes through 77, then pulls back the next day. Right? Every day. This one. Oh, baby. Killed it. Look at that, baby. Triple top. We nailed it on both sides. It don't get no better than that. And notice how they did take out the channel line. And reversal. Thank you, sir. May I have another? One more day. The same thing. Continuation and reversal. Texas 3-step. Looks gorgeous. But again, it's not over. Things don't go down a straight line like that. Sometimes they do. But I think we have continuation tonight. This Aussie dollar we're going to look at in a second looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, baby. And what a sick pullback last night, huh? Can you believe that? Retail sales come in better and they pull it in. Oh, baby. They pulled it in. It was a gift. That was free. 97 easy. Easy. And you want to do your short-term fib? 97.50. Golden retracement. We take out 97, we go right there. Bang. To the moon. Tomorrow's going to be a wild day. No matter how you want to slice it, tomorrow's going to be a freaking wild day. Aussie yen, I love it. Look at that, bullish engulfing, pulled back nicely. Gorgeous. Going to 75. We might even go straight line in Asia tonight. Not even a pullback. Maybe. Kiwi, love it. Look at that, bullish engulfing, coming around the outside. Gonna hit the exponential. 77.20. And then we reverse. Again, maybe everything's up big ahead of Trigé. And then Trigé sucks everything up. Maybe. Aussie Kiwi trying to break out. Like this Aussie Kiwi. I think we go up. Nice pullback. Retail sales are better. It's in the middle of the box, basically. It could go either way. Technically, this looks like nothing. So we're either going to bust out and go up to 129, or we're going to come back down to 124. And this other one I'm looking at, Loonie Yen. Look at that. Nice bullish engulfing. We get continuation. Maybe we even get dollar yen. Look at all those lines. All right, again, people, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, info@globalfxradio.com. Remember, I'm back in a big way. Forex News, I don't know if you folks remember Forex News. They used to be Money Garden. Back when I started in foreign exchange, that was the #1 forum website for news on the internet. Forexnews.com. Going to start building that baby back up again. Money Garden, out of business. Bought out. Oh, baby. Opportunity. So again, take advantage of this. $200 a month, January 1st. People, try my product. We're back to printing money. I know it's been a while. I know your freebies are running around in circles like Rocky. He's back! Oh, baby. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio. The only voice you will ever need who truly loves to make you money. And I'm going to make you a boatload. Have a good night.